please don't pay attention to the wire hangers. Despite my best efforts,
Okay,
I cannot get him to part with them. And
No,
I
I
don't
understand.
know why.
Yeah.
Misty Ann's closet reboot. She's getting organized. Misty Ann's closet reboot. What a sight for your sore eyes.
Hi there, I'm Misty Ann, and as you can see, I am not in my closet. I'm in Dion's closet. Say hi, Dion. Hi. So, Dion has finally got her closet back. We're so excited, and she is doing some really cool things in here. Lots of lessons learned, right?
Lots of lessons learned.
So Dion is going to share, we're going to be the beneficiaries of that. So she's going to share that, and we thought we would start with just sort of your whole design concept. So you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, Dion.
Welcome
Thank you.
to my closet.
Tell us your concept.
My concept is I'm designed this closet to feature two people, myself, my husband, and so what we have here, built-ins. He gets a set, well, this is my set.
So talk to me about what you wanted to do with these
Well, for
built-ins.
my drawers, because I mean, as we women do, we have a plethora of things that we need to put away. So I have lingerie, I have pajamas, I have socks, I have a drawer for panties, I have a drawer for bras. Instead of hanging slacks, I have decided to fold them along with jeans. Now there'll be a plethora more, however, I'm still going through crates of clothes and we'll see how that
figure out, and you're kind of purging as you go.
Purging as I go as well. So let's get into the corner of my closet.
Okay,
so
corner of your closet.
I have a long hanging. I have shortened and 2 rows of short hanging. What I've decided to do is put suit jackets all together. And if they have coordinating skirts or slacks, those are with them. I have these little clips that go with them. So then I have the long hanging dresses.
Okay, so look at this, the wall of shoes. Okay,
Shoes are my life.
I've not mastered that.
So.
Oh, and you have some fabulous ones. Look at this. I am so jealous of
This has been pretty much my business casual rotation for the last few months. I've had some additions. I've sifted through some crates that I could get to and the whole storage of things to find those things that I just loved wearing all the time and could add. My husband was so graciously offered a little bit more of his side of the closet.
How nice.
Now these are more of my casual things when we step outside to go do some light shopping, go out to grab a bite.
Kind of came back to work after taking some time off.
Yes, I was employed in corporate life from 2003 to 2016 and took a 2-year hiatus, and this April I regained my corporate identity, and but it's more casual, and I have more say as to
business casual,
business casual, and I have more say as to how creative I can be. So
nice.
It's been, yes,
yeah. You're setting the dress code.
Setting my own dress code, absolutely. So.
Misty Ann's closet reboot. She's getting organized. Misty Ann's closet reboot. What a sight for your sore eyes.
Okay, I think you got some cute stuff here.
Yes, I have 2 days of training this week, so it's probably going to be
2 days of training?
At work, sales training.
So is that more casual?
All in classroom. They're ordering sandwiches. I don't have to be customer facing, so I'm probably can't wear my pajamas in, but it'll probably be just some slacks and some type of nondescript shirt.
So what we planned for were the days that you're going out.
Yes.
Okay, so I love this. Let's do this one first.
Okay, that'll most likely be on Thursday.
I love
because
this.
that'll be a more casual day. I do have an appointment and it's with a realtor, so you know,
Cash and fun, very on trend. This thing feels fabulous.
It's flannel.
You got a good deal on it.
Absolutely.
And then you want to hold up the boots?
Yes.
I love these boots. Wait, you just show them the heel and everything. Oh my gosh, I love these boots. And they got the zipper all the way down the back.
Perhaps
so
some tights,
cute.
you know, to keep
some black tights. And then you're, instead of doing a necklace, because you got a lot of pattern going on, you're just doing the Yerman, right?
Yes.
So you want to show them the Yerman pieces. Those are, I love this because it's just nice, simple, silver.
I think it's called Freeform. The collection is called Freeform.
Okay. Oh, I love this. I love this. Okay. So just nice, simple necklace, and then simple earrings. I love Yerman. And then these are just the rings, right? Keep forgetting you got to put something behind it you can't see. Okay, I think that's gonna look great with that.
So on Monday, I have a luncheon.
Okay.
So I got this jacket.
This is from dressier, right?
Ann Taylor Factory.
I've never heard of Ann Taylor Factory.
There's a website. So it's either you go to the outlets in Cyprus or you go shop Ann Taylor Factory.
Nice. Okay.
So this was already marked down and then an additional 15% off.
You are so good at that.
I never pay full price.
You're so good at that. You'd have been proud of me. I've done Marshalls again recently. Using the lessons you taught me.
Right.
And did you get this separately?
This I've had for a couple of years, and you know, one of those things where it's on sale, so I get it in all the colors that it comes in if they have my size, and they did. So
that's beautiful.
It's a staple.
Like a plum color.
It's a plum, a pencil skirt. It goes right along with the whole scheme of things. And I have a chartreuse.
It's this fabulous
shell,
and this jacket picks both those colors up so nicely. And then I love the shoes. Show the shoes that you got.
And
for those, these are just beautiful. Look at these. Now, because they're just nice. Do these have a little bit of a platform in them or no?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
There's about half an inch platform and a 4-inch heel height.
And they're that nice.
I'm vertically challenged at 5'1". So,
but they're that beautiful plum color that matches the skirt. And then, is this the one we're doing this necklace with?
Yes.
I love this. So just two-tone, gold and silver.
Chunky choker necklace. Here's a bracelet. And these earrings that I'm wearing today will go with them as well.
Perfect. Okay. I love your third dressy outfit for the week.
So this will be Friday.
This is Friday.
And I'm taking a couple of ladies to lunch.
Nice.
A couple of bankers. So
I love this. What is this fabric? It's very soft.
That's a good question. What is that fabric?
It's very soft.
It's very soft, but it's very warm as well.
It's warm, but it's not that. It looks like it would be this real thick, heavy fabric, and because it's kind of got some nice texture and it's sort of nebby, but it's not. It's kind of, it feels warm, but it feels like it's very flexible and easy to move in. So I love that. And then because you don't really get cold, you really just felt like you needed a cardigan, and we said, hey, how about this pretty pink? What do we call this? Millennial pink.
Millennial pink.
Millennial pink. And because I thought that's real nice. It's kind of, they got that Chanel look to it. And then you just put this nice, long, simple strand of pearls.
And I've got a bracelet.
And
some chandelier earrings.
Chandelier earrings. I'm gonna put this
now,
a little closer.
And you suggested, because I was going to just put black boots underneath, but you suggested I pull out my pink suede pumps, which is great.
Because we got this sweater going on, although the black boots would be great too. I just thought you're wearing them another day, and I did think this was pretty with this. And yeah, do look at these chandelier earrings. Very pretty.
Now, you're going to freak out because this is how much I love millennial pink. So, I don't normally carry a purse on my day-to-day, but, well, outside of work. So, I have bags.
I love this bag. Look at
this.
This is awesome.
I'll just vest this one out for the day.
I love it. I love it. It'll be perfect.
Perfect.
You were going to look fabulous, girlfriend. Okay, so you're going to send us pictures of all of these,
yes,
right?
Yes, I will.
Yay! Okay, I love your closet. I'm so excited for you.
It's a work in progress.
I know, and you know what? So maybe you'll invite us back when you're
certainly
at the next
How about
level.
next season or actually. Yeah, spring.
Yeah,
when we're putting away all the winter stuff.
Oh, that'll be so fun.
I love when it's appropriate to wear less cover-up clothing because you know, my heat issues.
Because you're just the opposite of me. Although I like it when it's warmer outside just because I'm always cold. But anyway, okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for everything, every single thing.
Oh, you too, draw. I really, and I mean, what's one of the things that's been so amazing about Harvey is people like Dion that really took it on the chin were still there for everybody else that took it on the chin, because I know you did a lot of nice things for your friends and neighbors too.
Yeah.
So you know what, Houston is an amazing place.
Absolutely.
And I was never prouder of my city than I've been and how people have responded.
If there's a silver lining in anything, I'm glad this happened to me so that I could see all the wonderful blessings and, you know, the friends, the people that have come together for not just me but each other and everywhere else. And I mean, I hope that momentum keeps going. It's been a year out. Everyone's getting back on their feet, but we just want to keep all that momentum going.
That's right.
Well.
We need that right now. We got all this other divisive election stuff going.
Yes. Started.
So anyway, so thank you again.
Thank you.
And everybody have a great week.